Got a good surprise for you guys. So we're gonna be getting rid of these bad boys right here. Don't mind my mess again. New money, smart checking, no. Surprise, surprise, guys. We got OEM Evo X Recaros. And I just realized they got a little bit of, what's that called? We need to recondition these a little bit to make them nice, but OEM Recaros. Crazy story. I drove with my boy Ale, my little cousin's boyfriend, all the way to Iowa, Rock Island, Illinois, supposedly. But we crossed that borderline of Illinois and we were in Iowa. So it's kind of crazy. Picked them up from this one dude that was selling them. He's been having them for like 2 months. I've been stalling and telling him that I was gonna pick them up. And never did, but finally picked them up and we got them. They are highly compatible with the OEM Lancer setup. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and tighten them down, and then we're gonna install the Evo X steering wheel, which we have as well. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down these seats, and then we're gonna get to it. We're gonna go ahead and replace this antenna with this RC antenna here. See how this works. I got it off of eBay for like $7, and let's see what it actually does. Oh yeah, much better. And hopefully the radio works, but that's what we got what's that called, a aux cable for. What's going on, my pretty people? We're back, same video, different day. Just got out of work and I wanted to do something, so let's check out what I'm doing. I bought these JDM Speed replacement bolts for the engine bay, because look how rusted these are, and look, they actually work. Just put 2 of them in, and the bolt size is going to be a 3/8, just so you know. And they're only like $20 for 20 of them, so a dollar a piece. They're making money, eh? But yeah, we're looking good here. We're liking the way. Update: we installed the Evo X OEM steering wheel and OEM Recaros for this beautiful Lancer build that we got to do. And we are done. Went ahead and did all of them except for that boy down there. I'll get him eventually. And nice little cleanup here in the front. All these other bolts I'll get eventually down the line. Just got out of work, so I look pretty bummy. But when don't I? It's always Modelo time in every episode, so gotta keep it rolling, gotta keep it going. But I'll show you guys right now as I'm driving the interior and what else I got going. Evo steering wheel looks really good. Got the seats in, as you can see here. Gonna sell this hood in here. It's my son's birthday tomorrow. We'll party at least, and so he's got a little walker in the back there. You can fit a lot, guys. You can fit a hood in the back of a Lancer. Trust me, if you're ever gonna go pick one up, trust me, yes you can. But yeah, they look super good. But goodbye.
Don't look like they are on correctly. They look like they're literally look like they're separated. They don't look straight at all.
You look so handsome.
There you go, boy.
Here you go.
Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday, Meech!
Yeah.
Say happy birthday, Meech!
Happy birthday, me.
Woohoo!
angle, the angle. Gotta get the angles in the angle. Déjame chiquito, my boy. Déjame chiquito.
Are you recording?
Oh my god.
Throw it this way to the right. There's a lot of Ay, no,
Right here, mother, my foot. At the toes. Vamos.
Hey, Cunhas, you were right. It's gonna rain.
You forgot over here.
Ay, Miguel.
Matters.
Es para lavar mañana.
It's for the bus.
Me pegó una pinche muralla.
She's gonna fucking step on somebody's foot.
¡Ay, otra vez!
Money,